Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I am going to unbox two devices, that is a Tapo Hub and another one is a contact sensor. So this is the contact sensor and this is the Tapo Hub. So let's check it out and unbox this. Okay guys, so this is the box of the Tapo Smart IoT Hub. So you can connect up to 64 devices and it also acts as a smart alarm for your home, and it has a different alarm tones you can select. And this is the advanced home automation. So let's see this. So here they have given the features like you can unite your Tapo ecosystems. So it basically helps to connect all the smart devices of the Tapo, like the sensors and your camera or the bulbs, etc. And it can be used for advanced home automation. And as I told you, it also acts as a smart alarm, and it has a different chime options. So it has a local mode with the Tapo Hub. Sub devices and home automation work consistently within a local area network regardless of network conditions. So even if the Wi-Fi is down, you can connect this and it will synchronize with all the Tapo devices. And it comes with 1 year warranty, and it covers wide signal coverage and local mode options. It has 19 ringtones options, and it has a 9 decibel adjustable sound, in-wall power. So we have to have the Tapo app in order to set up this. So let's open the box. They have given the quick start guide. This is another one. So this is it, guys, the Tapo Smart Hub. It looks like a charger with the two socket. So let's connect this and see afterwards. So let's see what's again inside. There is nothing again. So I have brought the Tapo contact sensor, which I'll be using it for my door. Again, you got the user guide and another one, and they have given the adhesive to stick to the door, and this is the sensor. So this is magnetic, and if this attracts, the door is closed, and if it gets open, the door is open, that means the alarm will buzz and you will get the notification in your mobile. So that's how it works, guys. So we can also set like if the door opens, you can switch on the bulb, etc. So let's set up this and check it out. So I have put the Tapo hub on the switch and let's switch it on. You get the blue light, and let's go to the app and see how to set up. So this is the Tapo app I have. So let's check it out. Let's click on the plus add device. So let's search for the hubs and select the Tapo H100. So it's already orange and blue. So let's select that. Let's press connect. Connection is successful. So it is searching for Wi-Fi network, and that's my Wi-Fi network. Let's okay. So it's connecting Tapo device to your network. So let's name the device as Smart Hub only. So let's click next. So where you have placed it, living room maybe, and you can choose the icon. Almost done. Check firmware. So let's update now. So it's downloading and updating. So it's installing the update now. So it's done. So let's press the sounds good. So let's update time. Can set the update time here. So let it be default. Let's say got it. And we have to add the sensors now. So I'm going to select this contact sensor. You have to remove that blue color strip and click on the next. And you can see the LEDs blinking. So we can say contact sensor and give it where it is placed and say back door and give it next. And let's check the firmware. So it's done. Okay guys, the contact sensor is set up and the smart up is set up. So let's see how this works. I have placed the contact sensor on the door, as you can see. I have placed it up. So, guys, this is the Tapo app, and I have added the smart action here. So, whenever the door is opened, you can ring the intrusion alarm. So, I'll just enable this and open the door, and let's see. So, I'll open the door now. As you can hear, the alarm is ringing. I'll just show you. If you hear I place the alarm, this is the sound that is coming. So, guys, this is the smart hub. So you can set different smart actions here. If the door left a reminder and back to alarm, door window intrusion alarm. These are the smart actions available. So I have also kept another one, that is camera detector. I have a camera in the front door. So whenever a person is detected, the alarm will ring for 5 seconds, so that we can know somebody is on the front door coming. So this is how the smart hub is going to work. So we can share the device for other users also with with the help of device sharing. And this is it, guys. There are different ringtones you can set, and in the contact sensors, it will show you all the event log, when the door was opened, when the door was closed, and so on. So this is the event log, guys. And there are also smart actions here. So open door, window reminder, and turn on lights when someone arrives home. When you open the door, the lights will switch on automatically. And you can also use it on the closet, on the refrigerators, so garage, and for the windows with the doors. Similarly, you can share the device and so on. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.